Cagayan Valley or Region 2 is an administrative region in the Philippines occupying the northeastern section of Luzon. It covers 5 provinces, namely the province of Batanes, the province of Cagayan, the province of Isabela, the province of Nueva Vizcaya, and the province of Quirino. The regional center is the city of 𝗪𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗓. There are 5 provinces, 4 cities, 89 municipalities, and 2,311 barangays. Cagayan Valley is bordered clockwise from the north by the Luzon Strait or Passi Channel, Philippine Sea, Central Luzon, Ilocos Region, and the Cordillera Administrative Region. The following are the provinces, cities, municipalities, and number of barangays comprising the Cagayan Valley region. The 5 provinces are the following: the province of Batanes with 0 cities, 6 municipalities, and 29 barangays. The provincial center is Basco. For the province of Cagayan, there is 1 city, 28 municipalities, and 820 barangays. The provincial center is 𝗪𝗢𝗢𝗢 City. For the province of Isabela, there are 3 cities, 34 municipalities, and 1,055 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital is Ilagan City. For the province of Nueva Vizcaya, there are no cities, 15 municipalities, and 275 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital is the municipality of Bayumbong. For the province of Quirino, there is no city, 6 municipalities, and 132 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital of the province of Quirino is Cabarugis. Once again, for the Cagayan Valley region, there are 5 provinces, 89 municipalities, and 4 cities. The province of Batanes is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 2 or Cagayan Valley region. There is 0 city, 6 municipalities, and 29 barangays. Provincial center or the provincial capital is the municipality of Basco. The province of Batanes is bordered clockwise from the north by the Luzon Strait or the Passi Channel, Philippine Sea, Balintang Channel, and the South China Sea. The province of Batanes is composed of 6 municipalities and 29 barangays. The following are the 6 municipalities comprising the province of Batanes. We have the municipality of Basco, which also serves as the provincial capital or the provincial center, which has 6 barangays. The municipality of 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗘𝗟 with 5 barangays, the municipality of 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗙 with 4 barangays, the municipality of 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏 with 4 barangays, the municipality of 𝗧𝗔𝗕𝗢𝗪 with 6 barangays, and the municipality of 𝗪𝗟𝗔𝗦𝗦 with 4 barangays. Once again, for the province of Batanes, there are 6 municipalities and 29 barangays. The province of Cagayan is a part of the Luzon Island Group in the Cagayan Valley region or Region 2. It is composed of 1 city, 28 municipalities, and 820 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital is the city of 𝗪𝗪𝗢𝗪. The province of Cagayan is bordered clockwise from the north by the Balintang Channel, Philippine Sea, Isabela, Kalinga, Apayao, and Ilocos Norte. The municipality of Abulog is composed of 20 barangays. The municipality of Alcala is composed of 25 barangays. The municipality of Alacapan is composed of 27 barangays. The municipality of Amulong is composed of 47 barangays. The municipality of Apari is composed of 42 barangays. The municipality of Bagao is composed of 48 barangays. The municipality of Ballesteros is composed of 19 barangays. The municipality of Bagay is composed of 30 barangays. The municipality of Cagayan is composed of 12 barangays. The municipality of Camalanigan is composed of 28 barangays. The municipality of Claveria is composed of 41 barangays. The municipality of Enrile is composed of 22 barangays. The municipality of Gataran is composed of 50 barangays. The municipality of Gonzaga is composed of 25 barangays. The municipality of Igig is composed of 23 barangays. The municipality of Lalio has 35 barangays. The municipality of Lasam is composed of 30 barangays. The municipality of Pamplona is composed of 18 barangays. The municipality of Piñablanca is composed of 24 barangays. The municipality of Piat is composed of 18 barangays. The municipality of Rizal with 29 barangays. The municipality of Sanchez Mira with 18 barangays. The municipality of Santa Ana with 16 barangays. The municipality of Santa Praxedes with 10 barangays. The municipality of Santa Teresita with 13 barangays. The municipality of Santo Niño with 31 barangays. The municipality of Solana with 38 barangays. The municipality of Tuaw with 32 barangays. And the city of Tuguegarao, which also serves as the provincial capital and the regional center, has 49 barangays. And once again, those are the 28 municipalities and one city comprising the province of The province of Isabela is a part of the Luzon Island group in the Cagayan Valley region or Region 2. It is composed of 3 cities, 34 municipalities, and 1,055 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital is the city of Ilagan. The province of Isabela is bordered clockwise from the north by Cagayan, the Philippine Sea, Aurora, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Ifugao, Mountain Province, and Kalinga. The 34 municipalities and 3 cities with their number of barangays are the following. The municipality of Alicia with 34 barangays, the municipality of Angadanan with 59 barangays, the municipality of Aurora comprising 33 barangays, the municipality of Bonito Soliven with 29 barangays, the municipality of Burgos with 14 barangays, the municipality of Cabagan with 26 barangays, the municipality of Cabatuan with 22 barangays, the city of Cauayan with 65 barangays, the municipality of Cordon comprising 26 barangays, the municipality of Delfin Albano comprising 29 barangays, the municipality of Dinapigi with 6 barangays, the municipality of Divilacan with 12 barangays, the municipality of Echage comprising 64 barangays, the municipality of Gamo with 16 barangays, the city of Ilagan, which serves as the provincial capital with 91 barangays, the municipality of Jones with 42 barangays, the municipality of Luna with 19 barangays, the municipality of Maconacon with 10 barangays, the municipality of Malieg with 18 barangays, the municipality of Nagilian with 25 barangays, the municipality of Palanan with 17 barangays, the municipality of Quezon with 15 barangays, the municipality of Quirino with 21 barangays, the municipality of Ramon with 19 barangays, the municipality of Reyna Mercedes with 20 barangays, the municipality of Rojas with 26 barangays, the municipality of San Agustin with 23 barangays, the municipality of San Guillermo with 26 barangays, the municipality of San Isidro with 13 barangays, the municipality of San Manuel with 19 barangays, the municipality of San Mariano with 36 barangays, the municipality of San Mateo with 33 barangays, the municipality of San Pablo with 17 barangays, the municipality of Santa Maria with 20 barangays, the city of Santiago with 37 barangays, the municipality of Santo Tomas with 27 barangays, and the municipality of Tamawini with 46 barangays. So again, for the province of Isabela, there are 34 municipalities, 3 cities, and 1,000. The province of Isabela is a part of the Luzon Island group in the Cagayan Valley region or Region 2. It is composed of 3 cities, 34 municipalities, and 1,055 barangays. The province of Nueva Vizcaya is a part of the Luzon Island group in the Cagayan Valley region or Region 2. There are no cities, 15 municipalities, and 275 barangays. Its capital is the municipality of Bayumbong. Nueva Vizcaya is bordered clockwise from the north by Ifugao, Isabela, Quirino, Aurora, Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan, and Benguet. The following are the 15 municipalities and the number of barangays in each municipality. The municipality of Alfonso Castañeda has 6 barangays. The municipality of Ambagyo has 8 barangays. The municipality of Aritao is composed of 22 barangays. The municipality of Bagabag is composed of 17 barangays. The municipality of Bambang is composed of 25 barangays. The municipality of Bayumbong, which is also the provincial capital, is composed of 25 barangays. The municipality of Diadi is composed of 19 barangays. The municipality of Dupax del Norte is composed of 15 barangays. The municipality of Dupax del Sur is composed of 19 barangays. The municipality of Casibo is composed of 30 barangays. The municipality of Cayapa is composed of 30 barangays. The municipality of Quezon is composed of 12 barangays. The municipality of Santa Fe is composed of 16 barangays. The municipality of Solano is composed of 22 barangays. And the municipality of Villaverde is composed of 9 barangays. And those are the 15 municipalities and the number of barangays for each municipality comprising the province of Nueva Vizcaya. The province of Quirino is a part of the Luzon Island group in the Cagayan Valley region or Region 2. There are no cities, 6 municipalities, 132 barangays, and the capital is the municipality of Cabarugis. The province of Quirino is bordered clockwise from the north by Isabela, Aurora, and Nueva Vizcaya. The province of Quirino has 6 municipalities, which are the municipality of Aglipay with 25 barangays, the municipality of Cabarugis, which is also the provincial capital with 17 barangays, the municipality of Difon with 33 barangays, the municipality of Madela with 32 barangays, the municipality of Nagtipunan with 16 barangays, the municipality of Saguday with 9 barangays. Once again, the province of Quirino is composed of 0 cities, 6 municipalities, and 132 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital is the municipality of Cabarugis. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.